Hello everyone! This video is gonna stun everyone. Let's also have tons of fun with this cuteness overloaded one. These cute little bunnies are all set to hop to your homes this Easter. To make these Easter bunnies, all you need is this template. And this is how I got the template. You can either print the template or trace it like I did. Trace it once again on a chart paper or a craft paper and then cut it out. Our bunny box is just a few folds away. Let's get there. Detailing time. By the way, how do you like the music? How about you, Bunny Box? Oh wait, you need ears to hear this, isn't it? Let me glue it quick. Here goes our cottontail. Hang on, you're yet to get stunned. I proudly introduce you to these amazingly carved Easter eggs. No, I didn't make them, but my best friend did. All thanks to him. Our hide zone, bunny boxes are all ready. Just hide these eggs in them. Isn't that stunningly, crazily easy? I hope you like this video. Do comment and subscribe if you have not yet.